literally literary, in our constant search for budget-friendly equipment to assist the content creator in leveling up their artistic endeavors, have found a quality sound alternative to the more expensive ways to upgrade audio. It is the Saramonic SmartMic Di Directional microphone with Apple Lightning connector with foam windscreen for inside filming and fuzzy windshield for outdoor filming. We found this on Amazon for $60. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It comes nicely packaged, with instructions, some Saramonic stickers, and the indoor-outdoor mic screens. The centerpiece, of course, is the microphone itself, which is of high quality and looks like it is built to last. Saramonic is a company known throughout the industry for delivering a solid product at a reasonable price. As you well know, audio is one of the more pricey elements in the audio-visual business. With much trial and error, Literally Literary has come to believe this to be a wise purchase, and would be a valued and welcome addition to any creator's toolbox. It plugs right into the iPhone, and you are ready to start capturing leveled up sound. Let's try it out.
This is inside without the mic. And this is inside with the mic. This is outside without the mic. And this is outside with the mic.